Our next question is from Keizer Chavez. I have an 86 Honda Helix and it takes some time to start up after I've had it sitting for 3 to 4 days. I changed the filter and it is still the same. Any suggestions?
Check your fuel delivery system. Make sure it's getting fuel to the carburetor. 86 Honda. Yeah, I think it's got a little pump on there.
Could be vacuum operated or electric.
Yeah.
Uh,
Could be bad. Sounds like it's having a hard time getting fuel up to the carburetor.
right.
So I would look at fuel delivery, number one.